The new measures that will apply for a 4-week period to June 30th, 2021 are as follows. The curfew hours for weekdays will begin on Thursday, 3rd of June. Speaking about the weekday curfews now, will be from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. the following morning, ending at 5 a.m. on July 1, 2021. For weekends, Madam Speaker, the curfew will begin at 8 p.m. on Saturdays and on 2 p.m. on Sundays and end at 5 a.m. the following morning. Controlled entry protocols. The requirement for all incoming travelers to present a negative COVID-19 test conducted within 3 days of travel remains in place. However, we have reduced the quarantine requirement for fully vaccinated persons to 8 days. So for persons who are not fully vaccinated, the quarantine period remains at 14 days. I think that's a major concession. The travel restrictions for South American countries, Brazil, Chile, Peru, Colombia, Argentina, and Paraguay, as well as for India and Trinidad and Tobago, is also being extended until June 30th, 2021. Of course, we continue to reassess these as circumstances warrant. The age limit for the stay-at-home measure remains at 60 until June 30th, 2021. However, persons who are fully vaccinated will be exempted from this. The existing work-from-home directive in the public sector is being extended until June 30th, 2021. Funeral services are not permitted during the period ending June 30th, 2021. The existing limits on burials remain in place. The maximum number of mourners permitted is 10, with an additional 5 persons allowed, comprising the officiating clergy, grave diggers, and undertakers. The maximum number of persons who may be physically present to facilitate worship or electronic broadcast, including officiating clergy and technical support personnel, will be increased from 30 to 50 persons effective June 3rd, 2020. The cap on the number of persons permitted at a marriage ceremony will be increased from 15 to 50. All beaches and rivers will open effective June 3rd, 2021, but they will be subject to the same protocols as are applicable to those that are under organized management and control. No more than 10 persons at a time shall gather in any one area of the beach. So we are encouraging you, go with your known group and stay in your known group. Activities at the beach shall be limited to swimming, exercising, sunbathing. No beach parties or group games such as football and volleyball will be permitted. The ban on events such as concerts, parties, tailgate parties, round robins will continue until June 30th, 2021. Let us not repeat the mistakes of the past. Let us view the recrafting of the measures not as a license for free-for-all, but as an opportunity to safely pursue our livelihoods and other activities that enhance our spiritual and mental health needs. Let us exercise personal responsibility to prevent a third wave that will force us to tighten the measures once again.